You should make this meal only for your serious tutor. I will tell you the reason why I said so. On my trip to Enugu, something special happened. A friend didn't just cook for me, she taught me. It was supposed to be my third day of exploring Enugu foods, but my friend said, Nem, don't worry, I will make Ekpang Nkukwo for you. Ekpang Nkukwo is a traditional delicacy of the Efik and Ibibio people of Akwa Ibom and Cross River State in southern Nigeria. You may wonder what Ekpang Nkukwo means. Ekpang is grated cocoyam wrapped in leaves, while Nkukwo means cooked in a rich, flavorful sauce. Now, let me tell you why I said you should only make this meal for a serious tutor. One of the ingredients needed for this meal is patience. Enough of patience. This meal requires patience, time, and dedication, and this isn't what you want to throw away as an unserious person. You see? Now, let's learn how to make this food together, okay? Come along with me. These are the ingredients that we'll be needing to make this meal: yam and cocoyam, palm oil, dry fish, crayfish, cow skin, periwinkle, pumpkin leaves, scent leaves, onions, salt, and seasoning. So you start by grating your cocoyam and yam. We had already peeled and washed it. Oh god, this is the most strenuous part of making this meal. The grating the cocoyam and wrapping of the cocoyam, it takes a lot of time. So yeah, you see why you should make this meal for someone that is worth it. After grating it, you add some salt or seasoning with a little amount of water and begin to mix it into a thick paste. Try not to make this mixture watery, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is to grease the pot. Greasing the pot with palm oil helps to create a protective layer so that the wraps don't stick to the pot or burn while cooking. Now we are the part where we begin to wrap this grated yam and cocoyam with these pumpkin leaves. Originally, cocoyam leaves are used to wrap this, but for this recipe and in this video, we are using pumpkin leaves because yes, you can also use pumpkin leaves to do it. I won't even lie, I had a hard time wrapping this. It's not as easy as it looks, but I got better with time. And you just wonder why all of this stress for just a meal. But trust me, when you taste this meal, you see that it's worth all of this stress. Honestly, this is one of the most delicious Nigerian meals you ever try. So you just notice that this is a communal food where our mothers had extra hands, so many hands to come together and make this food. Like in the African tradition, where a man marries plenty wives with so many children, there are so many hands to come and make this food so easily, you know. So yeah, it just makes sense.
Sorry. 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 You can't take it off.
What? So this is what Akwa Ibom people have been enjoying all this while. Wow. You guys, this is so delicious. This is so delicious.
Are you ready to taste?
Ekpang Nkukwo, right?
Ekpang
Ekpang Nkukwo.
So now, if you want it more watery, you add more water. This is the last water I'll add. And the more you add water, Onyeko. The more you add water, Onyeko. Even for her now, because she'll still cook it. All of you learn this food, though. This will be people's husband's favorite food.
So this is what all that grating, wrapping, and back pain was preparing me for. Wow. I'm not even angry anymore. This is soft luxury. You know, food is culture, food is memory, and food is connection. And today, Ekpang Nkukwo gave me all of them. And you guys, I had the best time learning and eating this meal. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.